What's up, guys? Welcome back to Dummy Tech Talks.
What's up?
Today, what are we doing?
We are putting on a strut bar, like we said last week, and on our friend's Type R, which I don't want to hear any hate mail. It's not really a Type R, but same freaking thing. So anyways, well, we're just going to unscrew the old bolts. We're going to slap this baby on, and that's it. It's that simple. So here we go. Alright, so before we do anything, if you have any aftermarket parts on the battery, you will have to take them off, such as a battery holder, because the bar is going to have to be like right on the battery. So this is how they make these things. It's kind of stupid, but we're going to take it off. Alright, so basically you just take this socket and you just tap it to the bolts, and they just pop right off. And just like that, it's gone. Next is this one. And just like that, it's done. Now the next one. Just like that. They're all off. Alright, so now we just remove this plate. Just like that, it's gone. It's weird. Crazy how these things work. And then we'll just repeat the same process on the other side. Exact same. Alright, and for this act, I will ask for some assistance from my lovely assistant.
Hey, I'm here.
So we just take 2 people is the best. You can do it 1, but with 2 people it's a lot easier. You want to make sure that it's got the right holes and everything for you. You just slide it in.
Everything's lined up
There
over
you
here.
go. Now we just bolt this baby on. And we're going to start with one side. You do this.
You do that, I'll do this one.
And we're just going to start these with fingers. Also, if no one knows what a strut bar is actually for, it keeps on both sides your suspension. It does have play in the body, so if you are racing your vehicle or off-roading or whatever it may be, it keeps both the suspensions on either side moving together instead of independently, so there's better stability in corners. Not saying that this car is going to be raced, but it could be. So now we're going to torque these babies down to the right specs with our trusty dusty torque wrench. Alright, so we're going to torque these down to 40 pounds of torque, because that's the specs. Actually it's 46, but we're going to go 40 so we don't break anything. And there it goes. You hear it snap. Now we do it on the other side. Well, and there you have it. That is a install of a strut bar on a 2017 Type R. Alright, well, there you have it. It's that simple to just do a strut bar, and that's almost on every vehicle. Now, being that this is not our vehicle and this is not our stuff, the logo, whatnot, the protection gear that it comes with, we'll let the owner do that, which is our friend Nate. So we'll let him handle all that. So,
Heck yeah.
cool. And that's it.
Well, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe if you want to see other tech things, car things, just other stuff. We do everything we can, really. Just have fun with it.
Yep.
Heck yeah.
There you go, guys. See you, man.